A beacon of education since 2002, DY Patil University, Navi Mumbai was established with a vision to provide quality education in all spheres of high learning and health services in India. The university believes in creating evangelists of knowledge, people who spread the light quite literally. DY Patil University is NAAC re-accredited Grade A and is ranked in the top 3% universities pan-India by NAAC and has approximately 1 lakh plus alumni around the world. A pioneer of education, DY Patil University, Navi Mumbai is the outcome of the efforts and vision of the legendary Dr. DY Patil. The school aims to provide managerial skills to its students and to develop their personality to face the challenges of the industry. The legacy of the DY Patil University School of Management is known far and wide, and its popularity stems from the fact that the management here leaves no stones unturned to fulfill their promises, whether to its students or to its stakeholders. The dynamic curriculum followed at DY Patil University School of Management is not just limited to classrooms. In fact, the school ensures interactions with the industry as well as practical learning to make global leaders of its students. Focus at DY Patil University School of Management is the holistic growth and development of its students. As a result, students are provided with ample platforms to practice and hone their communication and management skills.
The students here are very enthusiastic and we participate in co-curricular activities as well. I am a part of placement committee. We conduct various training sessions for our people. For example, we have just recently conducted group discussion activities so that people can get success for their internships.
And a lot of importance is given to research too.
The resources and the faculty support we have has surely provided with the opportunities to pursue my interest with the hands-on experimentation above and beyond my curriculum. This is surely the gateway to my future opportunities.
This, coupled with the vast industry connect of the management, is why students here excel and shine during placement interviews. A learner-centric university, DY Patil University School of Management provides high-quality academic teaching and training using technological advancements to keep its students globally adept. With a healthy mix of fun and learning, DY Patil University School of Management offers you the best environment for your growth and paves the path for you to become global leaders. So, look no further. Join DY Patil University School of Management now.